Hello my wonderful people, welcome back once again to today's video, guys. So sorry for the interruption. So guys, I hope you guys are doing so great. In today's video I bring to you this pretty and latest crochet gown style, guys. In this video you'll be seeing crochet top and skirt and crochet gown, and you will also see crochet top and crochet singlet. In this video we have a lot of amazing latest trending crochet outfit for our beautiful ladies in the house. You know, this crochet outfit is so good, and it always looks so pretty and so beautiful at the same time. Stay tuned and watch this amazing video to the end, because we have a lot of beautiful ones. Look at this white one that is mixed with brown. It's so good, so pretty, so demure, guys. This crochet outfit always come out so great and amazing. Look at this one, is so beautiful, guys. The outfit is one in town is 100/10, guys. Look at this one, so amazing, guys. Give this video 10/10 minus nothing, because we have a lot of crochet style for you guys that love crochet outfits. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome to Dora Fashion Inspiration. In here we share with you a very pretty and amazing latest trending 2025 fashion styles of the year, hairstyles and nail design inspiration. For all my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome back once again to Dora Fashion Corner, guys. You are highly welcome. I love you guys so much. For all my United States audience, thank you so much once again. For all my Nigerian audience, for all my South African, Ghana, India, Cote d'Ivoire, Tanzania, thank you so much for always watching my video. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to share, guys. Bye.